What procedures should be followed if a parent gives land to their child? In Uganda, it is common for a parent to give part of their land to one of their children. This may be done as a gift during the parent's lifetime or as part of inheritance planning. While this practice is culturally accepted in many communities, it must also follow the laws to avoid future disputes. The most important laws governing this matter include the Land Act of 1998 and the Succession Act. A parent can give land to a child under any of these systems, but the process may differ depending on the type of ownership. For example, registered land as freehold, milo, leasehold require formal transactions and registration, while customary land in Uganda is privately owned either by individuals, families, or by clans, and is usually utilized for farming and grazing. People on customary land do not usually have or own land titles. To transfer customary land, the applicants acquire 3 copies of a Certificate of Customary Ownership Application Form 1 from their respective Sub-County Area Land Committee office. The total cost of these 3 copies is 5,000 Ugandan shillings, and this amount is paid to the sub-county and a receipt is given. A parent has the legal right to transfer their land to a child while still alive, provided that the land legally belongs to the parent. The transfer should be done willingly, proper documentation should be prepared and signed. The Succession Act only becomes relevant if disputes arise after the parent's death and if the will was not there. If the land is registered, the transfer must be documented and registered with the relevant land office. This helps the child become the legal owner. If the land is a matrimonial property, the law requires spousal consent before the transfer. The requirements needed include the full names of the parent giving the land as they appear on the national ID, the national ID number, the full name of the child receiving the land, the national ID number of the child, their nationality, and place of residence. Description of the land includes the location of the land, sub-county, parish, village, the block number and plot number, the size of the land, the boundaries of the land, that is to say the neighbors on each side. The agreement should clearly state whether the land is being given as a gift or has been sold. If there are any conditions attached to the land, they should be listed in the agreement. The agreement should be dated, indicating the address where it was signed from, have the parent and the child's signature, and 2 or 3 witnesses should also sign and include their names. In many communities, land is a family property and carries emotional and cultural value. Even if the law allows a parent to give land to one child, it is wise to inform other family members. Be transparent. Consider writing a will to clarify the intentions. This reduces conflict and promotes family unity. Contact Solvent Asset Management today for all your land needs. Consultation is free during working hours.
Sam.ug. Choose the land to buy from a verified listing. Terms and conditions apply.